It's like 100 degrees. The sun is out, so you already know. It's a pool day. Little man is in the pool. We got hubby filleting some fish he caught. These little footprints. We're making a lemon drop. I'm gonna cut up my lemon. And I'm gonna rim my glass. Just have some sugar here on a plate. I'm gonna rim my glass. I'm gonna go grab some ice. We're back. I apologize in advance. My son is playing Sonic Speed Me Up on repeat in the back. I'm just gonna squeeze a whole lemon. Guys, I'm not following a recipe or anything. This is just how I make it. Just gonna add a shot of triple sec. And then I'm gonna add some Tito's. I'm gonna do 2 shots. 2 shots of vodka. I'm gonna do 2 shots. Actually 1.5. 2 shots seems a little excessive. We're doing 1.5 today. And then we're gonna add some simple syrup. This is the store-bought bottle, but then I just went ahead and made my own one we ran out. Just gonna do like 2 squirts in there, and then I'll adjust it if I think it needs more sweetness. Yes, I'm using a blender bottle again. Don't judge me. Let's taste it. That's perfect for me. The sweetness is on point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into my glass. Ah! Yum. Cheers. By the way, I use Tito's, but I've made it with this vodka before, the Absolute Citron, and it is so good too. Also, you can use Deep Eddy's lemon vodka, which is good on its own. Actually, let me run inside and show you the little mini bottles I found in Total Wine. How cute! Like, can we seriously talk about how cute these are? Choricitos. Let's go season these chicken wings. I'm on chicken wing duty. So I'm gonna season them up and Honey's gonna grill them. So here we go. We're going to dinner tonight, so believe it or not, this is like our snack. We're having fried cheese, chorizo, and some chicken wings. This is our snack. So I'm just doing some sazon completa. I'm doing some garlic powder, some oregano, and some, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. That sauce, the Worcestershire sauce. Anytime we're grilling chicken, I like to use this because it gets rid of like that gamey taste. My mother-in-law taught me that. And then you just put the lid on and we shake it up. We're gonna fry some cheese, quesito frito. If you guys have never fried cheese, I'm about to put you onto something. Just flip them. You can call this perfection, but us Cubans, we say coquito con mortadella.